feel like I could have been even more generous with this product.
And the way you just like pull it out and do everything. You do like your face, your nose, your eyes, your lips. You make me even be like, oh, it's even easier than I like play it up in my head sometimes to be.
I then use this Makeup Forever.
Yeah, I know that stuff. I used to use that
Lifting.
a long time ago. So you do the dry, like very pasty concealer and then a creamy concealer right over top.
Yeah.
This is my favorite beauty blender ever. I mean, it's a beauty sponge. It's not by Beauty Blender, it's by Morphe. But it is my favorite one ever. I'm just like literally following your steps like a child.
Oh, this brush is actually like legit. It's such a natural product. Like this brush is truly nice.
This is really, really, really nice. Like truly,
you.
this is so creamy.
I'm being dead honest. Oh yeah, these are creamy on application.
I'm literally like watching you. You guys should know that whatever she's doing, take notes. I'm gonna rewatch this footage later because her skin in person looks amazing.
Thank you.
Like amazing.
I literally want to use it like you use it so that I can have like that Kim experience.
This is not fair. I got sprayed last night by Jimmy Coco. I have my weave in, and you still look better than me on camera.
my
This is
gosh.
bullshit.